Okay, day 7 now. Just before we start, I've reconfigured this ever so slightly. So my pin 6 is shorter and sits up a little bit, makes the game a little bit easier, which I definitely need. I've taken uh, the non-collected, the isolated end of the game wire over somewhere far out of the way, and I've actually reshaped this wire slightly in to give me a fighting chance of getting the game right. So we can see that it still works in the same way. Oh, I'm still rushing and terrible, but I can get to the end fairly successfully, almost successfully, perhaps. I'm just going to disconnect the play wire for a moment. I'm going to disconnect a battery, and we're going to open up number 7. I've taken to opening this before the video because of problems with my thumbs trying to get these doors open. And what we have today is I believe a 10k or 100k resistor. So we've got brown, black, yellow, which is hard to see in this light, but brown, black, yellow, and then a gold for the tolerance. And all it says that we're going to do, which is perhaps something I wish I'd seen yesterday or on yesterday's video, is we're going to remove this resistor here, which is a 68k resistor, which is blue, grey, orange. And we're going to, in place of that, we're going to put our 100k resistor, and it's coming down to pin 14, which is where we've just removed the previous resistor from. And the top leg of this resistor just needs to go into the positive. If you want to keep it, mine is all in line in column 13 at the moment, and I've kept that straight. I'm making sure that it's not touching the other resistor that comes over here, so there's a nice gap where I'm putting my little pliers down in there, and pliers, tweezers, whatever you want to call them. And so now, in theory, this is going to mean that the buzzer is less noisy for all, which is a nice thing. Already I can hear that tone is lower, slightly different. Oh, and that's a much lower tone for when we win now. So we'll try. Yeah, there we go. So we'll try and do the game. Oh, I'm never going to get one of these, I don't think. We'll try. We'll try once more. No, I'm just not very good at it. But we can hear the difference between that and the buzzing noise that was at the start of this video. So again, a nice and simple one, nothing too taxing.